Hello and welcome back to In the Kitchen with Matt. I am your host, Matt Taylor. Today I have a little bit of a different recipe for you. I'm going to show you how to make a little home cold remedy. I'm not feeling very well. I don't really feel like baking or cooking right now, but I thought I would still make a little video for you, and since I wanted to make this natural tea anyway for myself, I thought I would film it. I just don't have a lot of energy, so yeah, this is what we're doing instead. It's a nice little lemon honey tea. Probably some of you probably have already done this before. I found the recipe from WebMD quite a while ago, and then I just add one extra ingredient. But really basic, easy, helps with sore throats and sniffles and things like that. And also in the evening time, it helps to fall asleep a little easier. But I'm not a medical professional, so always consult one. One of the ingredients I use, Echinacea. If you're pregnant, I think you're supposed to consult a doctor before you take Echinacea. But anyway, here we go. Really easy to do. If I can do it, you can do it. Let's get started. All right, so I have this mug here with hot water in it. I just heated it up in the microwave because I'm lazy, but you can certainly do it on the stovetop with a tea kettle or whatever you want to do. Now, what we're going to do is I have a half of a fresh lemon, and you can just use like store-bought lemon juice too if you want. And I'm just going to come in here with my little press and just get that juice in there. Lemons, it's just packed with vitamin C, so that really helps. I don't know all the science behind it, but. And then I have this Echinacea pill. It really helps immune system, so I want to boost my immune system. I actually stopped taking. Usually, I take one of like several of these a day, and I stopped taking it for a while ago. So that's probably maybe my immune system is a little bit weak, but. So I'm just going to open this up and put it in there. And then I have some honey here. Now we're just going to add honey to taste. Maybe about a teaspoon like that. And really that's all there is to it. And just give it a little bit of a stir. And if you don't want to take the Echinacea, this is works really well. Like the original recipe is just lemon juice and honey and hot water. That's pretty much all you do, and I'm going to give it a little taste. I want to sweeten it up a little bit with some more honey. And honey is just a good natural ingredient. I've heard, I haven't done this, but you can just take like a half a teaspoon of honey at nighttime, like if you have a cough, and it like helps coat your throat and it's supposed to help you sleep better at night. Oh yeah, that's great right there. And you could add a little bit more lemon, like if I wanted more lemon flavor, I would just add a little bit more lemon to it. All right, my little natural tea is ready to go. Really easy to do, simple ingredients. I'm curious what your cold remedies might be. Drop a comment down below and let me know some of those recipes that you like to do when you have a cold or the flu that make you feel better and maybe even shorten the life of your illness. I'm Matt Taylor. This has been another episode of In the Kitchen with Matt. Thank you for joining me. As always, if you have any questions or comments, put them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thumbs up, down in the corner, push it. Your likes and comments really help me out on the show, so I appreciate all that. Also, I have down below in the description, I'll have links to my other social media accounts where you can find me, as well as my other YouTube channel, in case you want to check those out. Take care. Time for me to drink this up and go lay down on the couch.